Discover the awe-inspiring world of automotive innovation with the 10 mind-blown future cars concept. Like and subscribe to stay updated on the latest trends and developments shaping the future of mobility. Let's get started. GT V12 Vision Gran Turismo Concept. The GT V12 Vision Gran Turismo concept offers a futuristic single-seater design with innovative features. Its powertrain from the CN model ensures robust performance, while the cockpit's rear hinge design facilitates easy entry for the driver. Inside, an open steering wheel and projected dials create a visual cockpit experience. The car boasts enlarged Y-shaped taillights and front driving lights, adding to its visual impact and aerodynamic efficiency. With the front wheels separated from the cockpit, airflow around these areas is optimized. Overall, the GT V12 Vision Gran Turismo concept combines cutting-edge design with performance, promising an exhilarating driving experience. Unfortunately, the price remains unspecified, but its unique features make it a standout in the automotive world. Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Arrow. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQ Silver Arrow is an exceptional all-electric vehicle, boasting a powerful 550 kilowatt or 750 horsepower output and an 80 kilowatt-hour battery capacity. With a range of 400 kilometers on a single charge, it offers impressive efficiency for electric driving. Innovative side air vents effectively cool the battery, ensuring optimal performance. The Vision EQ Silver Arrow represents a significant step forward in electric vehicle technology, combining high-performance capabilities with sustainability. Its sleek design and advanced engineering make it a standout option for those seeking both power and eco-friendliness in their automotive choice. Toyota Concept EY. The Toyota Concept EY represents a groundbreaking leap in automotive technology, featuring an array of advanced features aimed at revolutionizing the driving experience. With its AI system and autonomous driving capabilities, it promises a new level of convenience and safety on the road. The sleek exterior design not only catches the eye, but also hints at the spacious interior, providing ample room for occupants. Powered by an advanced electric drivetrain, the Concept EY offers not only efficient, but also environmentally friendly performance. Additionally, it comes equipped with cutting-edge safety features, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. The Toyota Concept EY sets a new standard for innovation in the automotive industry, paving the way for a future where driving is both intuitive and exhilarating. BMW Vision Next 100. The BMW Vision Next 100 sets a bold precedent for the future of driving with its cutting-edge features and innovative design. Offering both fully autonomous and optional normal driving modes, it caters to diverse preferences and driving styles. Its propulsion system, likely electric with zero emissions, aligns with BMW's commitment to sustainability. In Ease mode, the car transitions into a completely self-driving experience, with the steering wheel hidden away, allowing passengers to relax and enjoy the ride. Conversely, Boost mode transforms the driving experience, putting the control back into the driver's hands with augmented reality assistance, enhancing the thrill of driving. The BMW Vision Next 100 represents a paradigm shift in automotive technology, showcasing BMW's dedication to pushing boundaries and redefining the future of mobility. Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR epitomizes futuristic automotive innovation with its groundbreaking features and cutting-edge design. Boasting a powerful 110 kilowatt-hour battery capacity, it offers an impressive range of 700 kilometers on a single charge, ensuring long journeys without compromise. One of its remarkable features is the integration of brain-computer interface technology, allowing the car to interpret and respond to the driver's thoughts and intentions. Additionally, the Vision AVTR showcases remarkable agility with its ability to rotate both the front and rear axles in the same or opposite direction, enabling seamless sideways movement. The Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR represents a paradigm shift in automotive technology, setting new standards for performance, innovation, and user experience. Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 redefines luxury and sophistication in the realm of autonomous driving. As an all-electric autonomous car, it embodies the pinnacle of automotive innovation and craftsmanship. Powered by two 250-kilowatt motors, it delivers a seamless and powerful driving experience while maintaining an eco-conscious approach. Its interior is a testament to luxury, featuring traditional materials meticulously crafted to elevate comfort and elegance to new heights. Notably, the absence of mechanical linkages or controls under the hood underscores its advanced engineering, focusing on seamless integration and intuitive user experience. The Rolls-Royce Vision Next 100 represents the epitome of luxury, offering discerning drivers a glimpse into the future of automotive excellence. Audi Skysphere. The Audi Skysphere epitomizes Audi's commitment to innovation and luxury in the realm of electric cars. Powered by a potent electric motor producing 623 horsepower and 750 Newton-meters of torque, it offers exhilarating performance while maintaining environmental sustainability. Its Grand Touring mode extends the wheelbase and introduces autonomous driving capabilities, ensuring a seamless and comfortable driving experience over long distances. Inside, the Skysphere boasts a minimalist yet sophisticated interior, featuring a full dashboard screen and touchscreens for intuitive control and information display. The Audi Skysphere represents a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and luxurious comfort, setting a new standard for electric vehicles in the automotive industry. Mercedes-Benz F015. The Mercedes-Benz F015 showcases the epitome of futuristic mobility, seamlessly integrating pure electric power with hydrogen fuel cell technology. Its innovative propulsion system offers a theoretical range of 560 miles, ensuring extensive journeys with minimal environmental impact. The F015's advanced features include a self-driving mode, where the steering wheel collapses into the dashboard, enabling occupants to engage in other activities while on the move. Moreover, the seats are designed to slide and swivel, fostering face-to-face communication among passengers. The Mercedes-Benz F015 represents a paradigm shift in automotive design, prioritizing sustainability, comfort, and connectivity. This groundbreaking vehicle offers a glimpse into the future of transportation, where luxury and eco-consciousness converge to redefine the driving experience. Audi AI-Con. The Audi AI-Con exemplifies Audi's vision for the future of electric mobility, blending cutting-edge technology with exceptional performance and comfort. Powered by two electric motors, producing a total of 350 horsepower, it offers impressive acceleration and dynamic driving capabilities. With a range of approximately 500 miles on a single charge, the AI-Con ensures long-distance journeys with ease. Its air suspension and four-wheel steering enhance both comfort and maneuverability, providing a smooth and agile driving experience. Moreover, the onboard computer BIA enables personalized settings and voice commands, allowing occupants to interact with the vehicle intuitively. The Audi AI-Con represents a remarkable fusion of innovation and luxury, setting new standards for electric vehicles in terms of performance, range, and user experience. Mini Vision Next 100. The Mini Vision Next 100 embodies a forward-thinking approach to urban mobility, blending advanced technology with compact design. With its connected digital intelligence, the Vision Next 100 allows for convenient summoning and customization, adapting to the driver's preferences seamlessly. Measuring 3,620 mm in length, it offers a compact footprint ideal for navigating crowded city streets. This innovative vehicle offers both manual and autonomous driving capabilities, providing flexibility for various driving scenarios. Inside, the customizable interior features adjustable color, ambient lighting, and graphics, allowing drivers to personalize their driving experience. The Mini Vision Next 100 represents a bold step towards the future of urban transportation, offering a harmonious blend of innovation, style, and practicality. The 10 Mind-Blown Future Cars concept showcases a dazzling array of cutting-edge vehicles that redefine the boundaries of automotive innovation. From electric powertrains to autonomous driving capabilities, these concepts offer a glimpse into an exhilarating future of mobility. What are your thoughts on these futuristic cars? Which concept excites you the most? Let us know in the comment section below. Your insights and opinions are invaluable as we continue to explore the endless possibilities of automotive technology together. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts. We can't wait to hear from you. And that concludes our video showcasing the world of luxury. If you enjoyed this content, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up. We appreciate you tuning in, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.